Welcome to Ctrl+Lead, the channel where leadership meets technology and strategy turns into real-world results. Today, we're diving deep into equipping technical teams with the capabilities needed to execute digital strategy and meet enterprise outcomes. Digital transformation doesn't succeed on vision statements alone. It succeeds when people are empowered with skills, culture, and tools. In a rapidly shifting technology landscape, the question isn't whether transformation is happening, but if your teams are truly ready to deliver. Let's begin with a reality check. Gartner's research highlights a sobering fact. More than 80% of IT leaders believe their teams lack the skills required to meet future enterprise needs. At the same time, nearly 2/3 of employees expect their organizations to provide opportunities to grow and res-skill. When that expectation isn't met, talent looks elsewhere, a risk no CIO can afford in today's market. This results in a widening gap between strategy and execution, where projects stall and outcomes suffer. So, how do we close that gap? The answer lies in rethinking not only what skills are required, but also how teams learn and evolve. Traditional skills development often fails because it focuses on static inventories that quickly become outdated. Forward-looking organizations are building outcome-driven, agile learning ecosystems. These environments continuously develop skills, apply them to real business problems, and measure them against enterprise priorities. This shifts the focus from what do people know to what can teams deliver, transforming skills development into a strategic enabler. This mindset prepares teams to not only keep pace, but to drive innovation in a disruptive market. Now, let's dive into the 6 essential areas every CIO must prioritize to equip teams for digital strategy execution. First, cloud security, the backbone of trust in a digital enterprise. As organizations embrace hybrid and multi-cloud models, the risk surface expands exponentially. Required skills include mastery of IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS security deployments, and proficiency in modern IAM protocols. Cloud security leaders must also demonstrate business architecture skills to explain risk trade-offs and advocate for privacy. Next, data engineering. Data is the new oil, but raw oil is useless until it's refined. Data engineers unlock data's potential by building scalable, reliable, and accessible systems. Critical skills include SQL, database fundamentals, data modeling, storage, and orchestration. Emerging skills like generative AI and large language models are reshaping how data is processed and consumed. Third, infrastructure automation. Infrastructure is no longer built with hardware alone, it's written in code. Engineers must master infrastructure as code, scripting, version control, and policy-based management. The real differentiator is aligning automation with enterprise agility, making IT infrastructure a springboard for innovation. Fourth, agile development. Agility has moved beyond a methodology. It's now a cultural mindset. High-impact development teams thrive on adaptive planning, rapid feedback loops, and continuous improvement. Essential skills include scaled agile practices, Scrum, Kanban, and AI for agile testing. Agile isn't about speed, it's about reducing time to value and fostering a culture where innovation happens at every level. Fifth, enterprise applications, specifically CRM architecture, where customer experience is the ultimate differentiator. CRM architects integrate systems, processes, and data into a seamless digital journey. Their skill set includes application solution design, low-code development, and CRM data management. AI and machine learning are increasingly used for personalization and predictive engagement. Finally, identity and access management, where identity has become the new security perimeter. IAM architects secure both human and machine identities in a hyper-connected world. Their toolkit includes modern IAM protocols, cloud IAM, and governance frameworks. IAM leaders must design for security and usability, enabling innovation without creating friction for users. While technical skills are critical, soft skills often determine whether strategies succeed. Collaboration, communication, leadership, and continuous learning are essential across every role. The ability to translate technical complexity into business value separates great engineers from future technology leaders. CIOs must champion not just hard skills, but also the emotional and digital intelligence needed to thrive. Equipping teams isn't just an HR function, it's a leadership imperative. CIOs must define critical skills, create agile learning pathways, and invest in accessible platforms. They must champion a culture where learning is not optional, but embedded into the flow of work. Enterprises that get this right don't just close the skills gap, they accelerate digital strategy execution. They outpace competitors and create an environment where talent thrives, driving innovation and success. This is Ctrl+Lead, helping you take command of leadership and technology in the digital age. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with peers who are ready to transform their infrastructure and operations.